Here I got more eBay packages. Well, I got one so far. There are more coming in, so stay tuned. I want to order more HID lights. I love them. Because they're being phased out and stuff. It's fucking stupid. It's government overreach. I fucking hate it. I don't hate the government, but yeah, I'm totally like liberalish, not conservative. I miss these high pressure sodium lights. So it's a moxie. Like, they're forcing us to use fucking LED lights, which fucking suck. Well, not all LED lights are crap, like I said, but it's those cheap ass ones. Plus, everything's going LED. I really like the old lights a lot better. Plus, LEDs flicker. There's a shipping label. Oh, this was a penny. That's cool. Love eBay a lot. There's not too much bubble wrap. Not too terrible. There's the light itself. No shipping label in the box. There's a fucking peanut mess in there though. Keep it away from a nice iPhone. Not my baby. And Cricket Wireless. They're the same level years ago. Fucking cheap ass Android phones. I deleted that YouTube video, sadly. I really do hate Cricket Wireless. It's so slow and throttle. Like, yeah, it was really slow and throttle. They had kept their plans at 3 megabits. If you get the cheapest one, it would be the unlimited 2 and the unlimited. The unlimited 2 was faster, it was shittier. I hated it. So let's get the light of them up. So you can see it's a RAB high pressure sodium light fixture. RAB is a reputable brand. Plus, they made old HID pictures. Well, most of the Chinese companies never made high pressure sodium lights. They just made shitty LED lights. I fucking hate them. Like, it's stupid. Don't want to scratch my nice light up. It's a nice baby there. So fucking nice. Very sexy as fuck. Very fucking nice and sexy. Look at that. It is adorable. I like it. It's so well built. There's an acrylic lens though, the refractor. There's a photocell on the top of the plastic front. Fuck you, government, for phasing these awesome little lights out. I like it. I like it so much. Nothing to say anything about it in a negative way. Came in good condition. But it's just coming off these screws are not screwed in all the way. I fucking love it. Yep, I can see the socket in there. It's not an LED light. RAB LED lights are good though. Our floodlights are really good quality. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.